Assalamu alaikum, I am Humayet Asif. I have made a simple humanoid shaped robot. It's standing in the same place, can rotate 360 degrees. Approximately 2 years ago, I created this project. Fortunately, I found it today in my Google Drive. This is Arduino based on remote control. I used a remote to forward and backward. When I press the forward button, the robot is moving forward, and when I press the backward button, the robot is moving backward. But when I press the forward and left buttons at the same time, it stands still and rotates 360 degrees. This robot responds when someone touches his head. There is a touch sensor on the head. If you put your hand on the head, this robot can make a sound and turn it also 360 degrees. This is final year engineering project. Thanks for watching this video.